up there on, which soon eventually will be the Gras Hangover. I walked by and I saw how many there are? 7, 8, 9, 10 workers as a team. Yep, they'll go. Let's go the ramp. That wasn't there yesterday. Now I think if I had to predict the future without having next week opening week for Hangover to come, I want to presume this is going to be exit ramp, because on the other side is stairs. So I want to presume that the other side where the stairs are, I'll show that in a moment, is entrance, and this ramp they're working on, putting the railing on, is exit. Now the thing I've been wondering is whether or not is this Hangover going to take single riders. That's my big question. If the answer is yes, where is the single rider supposed to go? That's my next question. Yeah. Not sure if they're going to put on the other side or not, but for wrong one overall, they can say they have a railing on the ramp. There's a ride overall. I've never rode such a thing like this, such as Fireball at any other park, so I'm interested in trying this. Now I can see one small problem with this ride, and this is a problem that V2 has. No matter how hard they try to make it fast as possible, you can only have one train. No matter if it's a madhouse or it's like there's no one around like today. You can't unload one train while the other train is in the ride cycle in a ride like this, and that's a problem V2 has. So I'm kind of want to presume that this open area in front is where the pew's going to be, and it's going to lead up to the old King's Cast Pier, which is over here. Try to guess the future. Not sure if they put over here where that's going to be. Out here? Who knows? Good toss right in the center of the wheelbarrow. I'm more interested in them filling the ramp. Cool. I can say I've seen the Hangover in person before it opened. Come on, we'll wind the bend for you two. There you go. We got a little more of a ramp to go over there. Just came to my attention that none of these guys are wearing construction hats. They're just wearing ordinary hats. Well, that one guy in the red shirt on the left is you're looking the side of his body. He's in a construction hat. Most people are just wearing any old hat, not construction. Okay, now go. So the other side. Think this is going to be open in a week? Or actually, it's less than a week if I count the exclusive short day, which I'm not coming to. Just right back here, if I can get this to zoom, that's the stair. So I want to presume that's the entry, is how I'm predicting this. So I have to go through that queue over there, which I want to presume there's going to be a queue over there. You go through here, and then around, and then eventually you go up the stairs and go on that way. And the ramp on this side, I'm guessing is going to be the exit ramp. That's how I see the future coming, without having this ride be open to anyone. Oh, I just noticed my first time up there's a canopy above. Coming soon, Mardi Gras Hangover, world's tallest loop coaster. I'll be giving you a nickname called Mardi Gras Fireball. That's gonna be my nickname for this. There's a view of the ramp from a different angle. Not sure what that board's for. If that's supposed to be the edge of the queue, who knows? Alright, well, there's your update on Hangover. Alright, bye for now.